And finally, we just finished with the Project 520i. The car is ready for sell. This beautiful beast. I really like it. I enjoyed this project because we bring the car back in a very nice shape and bring back to the road in classic style what BMW used to have. In this video I will explain to you how much we spent on it, what we fixed and how you can bid on it. So how you can have this car, how you can bid on it. In 4 weeks time, starting from this Saturday on 24th of January 2026, I will be here at the Kraft Car Dealership where we are right now, and you can come and bid personally till on the next 4 weekends, on the next 4 Saturdays. The last one will be 14th of February, Valentine's Day, so maybe you can have it to your partner, your loved one. Until then you can bid by email 4kpron@proton.me. I will put this email into the description, and till that time, anytime you can bid on it. But how much was the car? The car was cost 4,100,000 forints for us, so which is like 10,250 euros. But thanks for our sponsors, we'll start the bid on 2,890,000 forints, which is approximately 7,700 euros approximately. I will put it in the description. Until that time you can place any bid. Any bid can be placed, but the steps, it will be 10,000 forints each time, which means approximately 50 euros in levels. So you can start your bid on 2.9 million forints.
They trying to weigh my head all down. About time today, my stress gone now. I should jet fly away. When what to calm down, I'm still find a way, find a way. They trying to weigh my head all down. About time today, my stress gone now. I should jet fly away. They tell me calm down, but I still fly away.
In the front we changed the grills because they were all broken and old. Also we had a bug in the light, in the headlights, so we took it out. And of course had a polish, the lights, and of course the ceramic coating. The wheels, the style 33, which has it now on the car, it's a winter style. We choose it because the little 1.8 in scale model has that style wheel, and I really like it for the winter time. And most E39 came out with that wheel, so I really like that. We renew it, and we had a new winter tire on it, the Hancock, which was 21st week of 2025 produced, so it's brand new and it's good for the road for winter time. And of course the summer tires on the style 32 wheels goes with the car too for the new owner. At the back, the rear door had a new paint. Also the bumper, because there were a vinyl or sticker on it for protection, but when it was a little bit ripped and we ripped it off, of course the paint was come with it. We changed the telescopes of the rear window and the rear door for brand new original ones, of course, because it was old and you have to lift it up by a lot of power, so you need to be strong because the door is very heavy. It's still a quality material. Anyway, we gave extra safety triangle, some wrench, tools, everything. When maybe 24 years ago, when Herr Müller was in the Swiss car dealership, he had the same feeling to get this car in a perfect nice condition. Also it has a fixing net and some rubbers. In the trunk area, when you have little packages, it won't be slide from side to side. Yeah, we try to put this car back, as we mentioned many times, to the brand new or close to the brand new condition. Also it has new tail lights, which were old and ugly, so we changed them for the facelift, because this is a facelift version, so exactly the same model, nothing fancy, nothing new, just original. And here in the trunk area, these plastics, which covers the metal part of the door, the inner part, is not functional, just optical, but these are very rare and very expensive BMW parts. And of course in the junkyard there is different color if it's in good condition, but most of them are cracked or crashed or ugly, so you don't want to put them in. Finally we have these two over here, and the first owner, Mr. Meyer in Switzerland, when he bought the car back in 2002, it was very funny because there were no huge screen on the cars and anything, not even GPS. It has a BMW printed, car dealership printed map, paper map, which is for Switzerland. And I believe Mr. Meyer knows very well the roads where he was using this car, because this is like a brand new. This one gives actually, I think, for me, for sure, a special atmosphere for this classic BMW. The interior, everything we cleaned up. The dash is beautiful, clean. The knob has a little sign of usage, but we didn't change it because this is still in perfect condition. The steering wheel had a new leather with new black stitches, black leather, no M logo, everything is just perfect like a 520 should be. It has a new plastic holder here and the cup holder here, which were broken. So we try to keep the car as clean and as factory as we can. So even if you go, let's say, back to 2002 to the Swiss car dealership and you want to buy a car like this, you would face a situation, a clean car like this. The seats are exactly the same what were before in the extra list on the car. The reason why we not choose a more sporty version, because as you see, I'm not a small guy. Right now I'm in a jacket. In the winter time, maybe you are jumping in a car for 5 minutes, then you do some business and then you go again with the car for 5 minutes and you don't want to get off your jacket. So in that case, these seats are more comfortable for a big guy with a big jacket for 5, 10, whatever minutes. And yeah, it's just perfectly fine for a 520i. At the rear section, we changed the cover of the car, which has a rubber in the outside area, and that tire or rubber is broken in almost each of every E39 after 20 something years. Has a new carpet, has a new internal seats and everything, exactly the same model which has 24 years ago with this car ordered, because we want to keep it as original as we can. In the center console there is a 3D printed cup holder. We added as a little extra, I don't know, high-class fancy stuff. I really enjoy it. I really like it because I think it's give a little modern taste of this classic car. And of course the ventilation plastic was broken in the center console in the rear section, so we changed that as well. And the sound of the door, quality. Let's talk briefly about the engine. This engine has 284,000 and almost 800 kilometers. It's a M54 B22, so it's 2.2 liter straight line 6. It has 170 horsepower and 210 Newton meter torque, and we try to fix everything to make it on the road in a good condition. The heat ventilation, we changed this part of the plastic because it was old. We changed the spark plugs, oil changes, filters, control arms, the steering system we completely renew it, and many other arms in the front, in the upper, lower and front and rear parts of the engine, because we want this engine and we want this car back on the road for many good years. And I believe this engine, which is one of the best engines of BMW, will be very nice on the road without any serious issue. So here we are now with this beautiful car. We try to keep it in a perfect or nearly perfect condition. No, it's not a mint condition. It's a car 520i which you will use every day if you like, because it's so enjoyable to drive. It has a previous owner, 3 owners, I'm the 4th. They take care of this car very well, so it's in good condition. It was good condition, but we still fixed some optical and mechanical stuff in it, and it's just very nice. Every Saturday you can come personally and bid on the car, you can check the car, you can drive the car at the Kraft Car Dealership in Budapest, and the salesperson, the head of the sales Charles Caroy, he will be here with me as well, and every Saturday evening we will release a new video on these Saturdays where the bid is actually currently start is where we will start it from, and every single forint or euro which you will bid on, and if you will take the car, you will actually donate the charity Vérlovagok. They are everyday's heroes. So I hope you enjoyed this video, I hope you enjoyed this car and you will have this car. I wish you a happy and a very good bidding on this, and I wish you have a nice day, of course. Bye.
This project was supported by DDC Ltd, Comfort Gumi Service Ltd, Kedvenc Auto Service, Ossis Inter Ltd, Kraft Auto Car Dealership, Premium Car Services. Thank you.